Hi guys, come with me. Let me unbox this washing machine. Am I the only one that has a washing machine? But I end up washing with my hand every single time. So I'm putting a stop to it. I'm going to be unboxing this washing machine. So come with me and follow me. Let's go. So here is a washing machine. You can come a bit close. So this is it. I've already used the washing machine to be keeping stuff. So I said, no, I'm stopping these things today. I'm going to be using this washing machine because I don't know why I will have a washing machine and I'm ending up washing with my hands every single day. No. Ta-la! The big Odogu is here. So unbox with me. Okay, guys, let me shift this. So where are we opening first? Let me drag it out a bit. Oh my god. Look, this thing has been here for how many weeks now? How many months? Not weeks. How many months? So because I've not even brought it out. So I'm bringing it out for the first time. Look at how dirty this place is. So don't judge me that this place is dirty. So let's start. Tum, tum, tum. Tak tak. Daming grrr. Okay. Grrr. Okay. Daming grrr. I'm so happy unboxing this thing today. This thing has been in my house for over how many? You can come close, success. Bring it close. Bring it close. Zoom it. Film it. Film the washing machine. Film it. So let's get this off. But make sure you're also videoing me. Oh my god. Okay, I think you're gonna bring this thing up. Oh la la la. My baby girl. Oh my god. So let's go again. Ooh la la la. The baby girl is here. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Bring it, come and open, come and zoom this place. Oh my god, this is actually beautiful. Look. It's I think it's a front loader. It's a front loader. Okay, how do they open this one? Okay, this one is like this. Okay. How did they do this? I don't even know how to operate this. Look at my face. I don't even know how to operate this. You guys, people are also going to show me how to use this because I don't know how to use it. Oh, so I'm going to be using it today. This washing machine is over for you. Okay, this is the manual. This is the manual. I'm going to be reading it to use it. So people are also going to follow me and use it. So this is it. Our washing machine is here. So I'm going to carry it to the bathroom now to go do something about it. I'm going to be reading this, then doing justice to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.